GSIDC परस पणजे महापालिका योग्य साधन सुविधा मेळत तर बरे रितीन स्मार्ट सिटी करपाक शकता. तांत्रिक आणि आर्थिक मान्यताय मेळत तर CCP करपाक शकता पणजेक स्मार्ट सिटी. आणि पणजेत CCTV बसयतले म्हण सिद्धार्थ कुंकळकरान वक्तव्य केल्ले ते एक कॅमेरा 35 लाखांचे आसात काय म्हण प्रश्न महापौर फुर्तादून केला. RDX गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
You should call for an investigation. How from 25 lakhs for 250 cameras, for 450 cameras is 150 crores.
Is this a scam?
I am not saying anything. That you find out. You write to the Controller General of India. You write to Lok Ayukt and find out whether it is scam or not. I am not telling. Don't put words into my mouth. I am only saying that when CCP prepared the estimate for 250 cameras, it was 25 lakhs. And whereas for smart city 450 cameras is 150 crores. That means each CC camera should be around 35 lakhs. A file had come to me which I had kept pending for 6 months. Then my predecessor Commissioner Deepak Desai came to me and said, see, let us help them out. And we give an NOC. But when they give an NOC, they should have sent a plan to us. Where they only said certain this thing, and I don't think what NOC we give they are put in the same places, because your mayor is neither a director or a member of Smart City or Amrut or PDA. My commissioner is the member there. You tell me commissioner is bureaucrat, can he raise his voice with the government? He can raise the voice, I can raise the voice. That is why they don't want me there. You have read in between the lines. We never oppose smart city. We said the smart city and Amrut should go to CCP, where the urban local body ULB. Every other part of India, the corporation city of Panjim or the bigger municipality, they do everything. Why only here? That was our contention, bottom contention. That yes, smart city, we should listen, do it. Not GSIDC or anybody else. Amrut, we should do it. I wanted the cell to come to us so that my municipal engineer has got powers to sanction till 15 lakhs. If it is 15 lakhs, 50,000 or above, we have to send it to the PWD for the TS, technical sanction. If I have my full-fledged technical department at the PC level, just like this GSIDC, we can take up crores and crores rupees. But nobody wants to listen to me and to our panel. We will move the court in future. We have done that thing in ODP. We got it has been admitted. You are aware that Kalangut and Kandoli ODP has been stopped by court. The same thing will be with Panjim ODP. So don't take us for granted.